What's up, guys? I'm Alex Hill, host of Tastemade Spice Baby, and we are here at Mariscos Maria's right here in West Adams, and I'm gonna find someone to eat seafood with. Let's go, I'm hungry. You! Hi! Do you want to be interviewed about food really quick?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Tell me your name and where you're from.
Cisco from, originally from Puerto Rico, but I grew up in Florida.
Oh, Puerto Rico. I'm half Puerto Rican.
Are you?
From Maryland, East Coast.
All right.
Okay, so it's Hispanic Heritage Month. And I'm treating people to lunch. Well, do you want to have lunch with me? It's free.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
My name is Giovanni Maldonado, and I oversee Mariscos Maria's operations. The beautiful thing about Mariscos Maria is my mother. She opened her lunch truck in the 80s, and 2007 we opened 1 year, in 2020 on Adams, and that's Mariscos Maria's.
So you're Puerto Rican.
That's correct, yeah.
Born there.
Born there, left when I was 3. Technically, Spanish is my first language, but I don't have an accent because I learned English at the same time, growing up. I was actually the one helping my parents. When I was little, my mom tells a story of me walking her through how to pronounce basic English words, right?
Yeah. Is there a sense of pride that you helped your parents along the way?
I think of it as just a natural progression of me, but at the end of the day, my parents helped me a lot in my journey, what I'm doing. So if I can help them in any little thing, for sure, I'm down. Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
So what dishes did you grow up on?
Fuego relleno de whatever. It could be shrimp, it could be chicken, it could be beef, whatever.
How's it going?
Hi.
Hey, how are you? Oh my God, that looks so good. That looks so good.
Los tres mujeres, aguachiles.
Yes, this is what you guys are known for, right?
Yeah, molcajete de mariscos. And then we're gonna bring out some fajitas mixed. That's a little bit of steak, chicken, and shrimp. So this is our molcajete de mariscos. There's a little bit of everything. We have fried fish, shrimp, octopus, crab.
I gotta dig in. I have to.
Alright, I'm gonna try one.
That is delicious. Right.
It's hot, it's spicy.
Spicy. It's got a little spice.
Very good.
So last time I had aguachile was when I was living in Mexico, but it's basically lime water.
It's like lime water with shrimp.
And it's cooked like a ceviche. Margaritas.
Gracias.
Ooh, I love mango. Teach me, okay.
So arriba, para abajo, which means down,
down. Abajo. Okay.
Y para adentro, inside.
So Hispanic Heritage Month is everything for me, but not just September. I look at it throughout the whole year.
I don't need an excuse to celebrate my culture. Me living and me breathing and me kind of out and about. Everyone knows I'm Puerto Rican. Everyone knows that that's my culture. I rep it all the time.
Mariscos Maria's is a staple in the community, and I'm just grateful and honored to be able to be here and continue the tradition and the legacy.
Happy Hispanic Heritage Month.
Yes.
Yeah.
Happy Hispanic Heritage Month.